Hello, Assalamu alaikum to another video. So, how do you practice English and what is going your practicing moment? How easily do you spend your time? This video I will know from you actually how do you waste spend your time on learning English. So keep start right now. So before something tell about these things to know from your feedback, your speaking module, your speaking things, you can understand how can I know from you because I'm offline. By the way, you are watching my video on online connecting your Wi-Fi. I was also beginner when I can't speak English or I couldn't, but I can now little bit. I understand a person faultness, a person mistakes. So I can understand your faultness, your mistake by offline. So before talking to you, I have to take a seat right now. Behind me there is a beautiful bench or something like that house. So it's beautiful for me. I want to take a seat right now. Okay, I have to find out something clean place. Okay, I also find something clean place here, and I have taken rest here. Also take a seat. Oh, it looks like beautiful. So by the way, come to the point. So how do you practice English? I practice English whenever I get time. Which place I living, it doesn't matter. Like a few years ago I felt shyness, and for this reason I couldn't practice properly. But nowadays I practice whenever I stay, whenever I get times, whatever I do, I try to speak, I try to think in English. I want to be fluent more, I want to count my sentence properly. I don't want to have make any mistakes on grammar. So you can understand my things. I think if you're a beginner you will find something more difficulty in your things. How? The question is that I know at the first time you will always find that you have no time, you have no any kind of, you feel shyness, you have a laziness, whatever you have in your mind, whatever you have in your body, whatever you have, your surrounding is not good, your surroundings people have no idea about this speak, some people criticize me, whatever it can be. But end of the day people find something expert person who is speaking English. End of the day you also find I want to speak English. If I want to speak, I wish I could speak English like a native speaker. End of the day everyone thinks like that. So what do you think something like that? You also should think about that. You should also speak right, wrong, it doesn't matter. Man makes mistake, it's general. So why do you think about this? I also make mistake on my video. Have I stopped my video? Have I stopped uploading my video on YouTube? Never. I will never stop. I make video for those who are beginner, who want to be advanced, who want to be more better than me, who want to be speak more fluency. I make video for them to develop his or her listening, his or her speaking, his or her confidence. Last few video I talk about some new places on public places also called like that. I try to show you something. You should practice like that way. You can develop your fluency, you can develop everything wherever you look like that. It doesn't matter which place you are like at this moment. Most important thing is that how do you practice, how much you practice, how many times you practice in a day. So you never focus your result, you focus your practice. Do you practice regularly? If you practice regularly, it's important for you. So you should focus on your practice regularly, never focus your improvement. Of course you focus on your improvement after 1 month later. After 1 month or 1 month later you will find out, oh, how much I developed. For this reason you can do something little bit. One important things, every day you make short video on selfie camera 1 minute. Like you study your journey, you start your video from now and continuously you do every day at least one video, and you will comprise this video first day and last day. Like first day video, and after 1 month you will compare the 30 days video. You will find your result, experience. You see something, yes, I have developed much, my fluency is developed. Otherwise you will always be desperate, you will always be frustrated. This is a general also. So by the way, I think man if try to something during his life he can easily do. The most important hamper things is like that is try. If you try properly you master something better in your life. So never stop trying. You should try more and more and more. I need 1 hour, you need 3 hours. The others needs 5 hours. But of course you can speak in English. This is the reason. But practice is important. Bro, practice is important. Sister, practice is important. Whatever you watch my video, what ages, practice is important. Whatever you know. Whatever you know, just practice, practice and practice. Right or wrong, it doesn't matter. So, I just know something. I wanted to know something about your situations, my followers, my subscriber, my friends' situation. How do they practice? I understand because I was also beginner once. I understand the mistakes. I understand the situations. I understand your circumstances. By the way, practice makes perfect. You one day. You can't. You must speak English better than a native speaker. So never talk more, practice more and more. Come back to next video very soon. For the time, keep watching my video, keep practicing, develop your fluency, become confident in English. Assalamu alaikum.